Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fewer sugar cookies. Scaling down a recipe can seem tricky, but with a few simple adjustments, you can enjoy a smaller batch without waste. We'll focus on precise measurements and smart substitutions to ensure your cookies turn out perfectly every time. This method is ideal for small households or when you just want a few treats. When scaling down, divide every ingredient quantity by your desired factor, usually 2 or 4. For instance, if a recipe calls for 1 cup of flour, you'd use half a cup. A common challenge is eggs. For half an egg, whisk 1 and measure out 2 tablespoons. This precision ensures the right consistency and flavor for your smaller batch of cookies. Baking smaller batches means you might need to adjust your baking time. Keep a close eye on your cookies, as they could be done a minute or 2 sooner. Using a smaller baking sheet can also help maintain their shape. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for preventing your cookies from spreading too much in the oven, ensuring a perfect texture. Once your delicious, smaller batch of sugar cookies has cooled completely, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days to maintain their freshness. If you want to enjoy them even longer, you can freeze the baked cookies for up to 3 months. Just thaw them at room temperature when you're ready for a treat. Also, for those interested in improving their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.